chasing one more last delight. Laughter echoed through empty streets, stumbling home with morning light. Your shadow long beside me, the moonlight sinking, almost gone. Every promise thin and fraying, every heartbeat overdrawn. So we'll go no more roving through the night. Leave the restless roads to younger eyes. Let the tired heart breathe. Let the dull blade leave the fight. We'll go no more roving, but I'll still love you by the quiet light. Your email open in a window remains a draft with half-meant lines. We could stay and start again, but we could learn to read the signs. All the songs we kept repeating fade to whispers in the air. What we buried in the brightness comes back gentle when we dare. So we'll go no more roving through the night. Leave the restless roads to younger eyes. Let the tired heart breathe. Let the dull blade leave the fight. Go no more roving, but I'll still love you by the quiet light. It's not surrender, just a softer kind of break. Trading fever for the courage not to chase. So we'll go no more roving through the night. Let the wind